All right, good morning. Welcome aboard, everybody. Let's go. Let's go do some trading today, huh? Everybody locked and loaded out there? All right, good morning, Rue. What's happening? Got the big green dollar signs going on this morning. That's what I'm talking about. Mukhtar, what's happening? Duke, good morning. Suzanne, awesome. Heard you met with Charles yesterday. Hopefully you guys got things worked out there. We'll keep our ear to the ground. Pam Peroon, good morning. Dr. Hanson, welcome aboard. Dr. Steve. All right, guys, here we go. We got the ES one-day pass in a couple of trades here. It pulled off a $1,500 winner a few seconds ago. Took this signal B long. It made it to the profit target window and took the $1,500 off the table. And it jumped back in another signal B long trade here, so it's trying to finish out the day with a winner here. But we got a little bit of a wobble going on the ES. NQ over on the left, ES on the right. Okay, here we go. NQ pushing back up north. Should help the ES rise here. Here we go. And we got a break-even trade almost. Looking for a winner today. We got a whole bunch of Apex accounts here we want to move to the finish line today. So we'll do some trade copying. I got the Steven drone all fired up here. Got it put on this one account. Took a couple of trades already this morning on this Steven drone. It's down 30 on that account. All right, we're pushing up nicely on the ES. Here we go. ODP, ODP. Come on, baby, let's go. Holy moly, look at the lag time on the NQ chart there. All right, we caught the winner on the ES. ODP.
Order submitted.
Sweet.
Order submitted.
All right, Pamperoon, you caught that trade too. Hopefully you caught the second half of it. Let me know in the chat there if you caught the second half of that winner. Full winner there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner on the ES so far.
Order filled.
I'm connected up with Rhythmic, Apex, and also Kinetic data feeds here today. Woohoo! Caught the double hooker. Yeah, baby. ODP. That one's been pretty hot lately.
Order submitted.
This one's the NQ, or I'm sorry, ES ODP. Try to get my NQ chart here to settle down. See what.
Order submitted.
Quite a few trades here we're in on the NQ. Let's jump on one of these. Check it out. Let's go here. Huh?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, looking for the hot one on the leaderboard this morning. Just getting kick started here, trying to put a little gasoline in the engine, see what's gonna fire off here. Got a 16 Unarenko coming up my leaderboard here.
Order submitted.
Checking it out. Taking a look at it. This is from our MI version. So this one we weren't sophisticated enough at the time. This software is a little bit older here.
Order submitted.
Weren't sophisticated enough at the time to have stops put on the chart, but there are stops down there.
Order submitted.
So it's a strategy from the MI version.
Order submitted.
All right, running up the leaderboard. So I'll kind of go through what I've got going on here this morning. I've got quite a few, like I said, Apex accounts here. We'll put quite a few of those to work in a few minutes. Just kind of give you a lay of the land of what we're looking at here today. I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. Let me show the disclaimer. This is the government disclaimer. By law, I need to share this information with you. All these signals and trading opportunities that I show today are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my team take no responsibility for any trades that you may take on your behalf for profit or loss. And trading involves a substantial amount of risk, so please reach out to a licensed financial advisor before you take any trades, do any trading. This thing can move super duper quick, so it can go against you quick. So we'll get her to settle down here, get this lag time worked out, hopefully. Coming up the leaderboard. All right, come on. And a little bit of a snafu getting back to the screen here. Let me get the come on. Lags got me out of sorts here for a second.
Order filled.
Okay, sorry about that. Had to get the screen under control here. Lag time was a little bit out of control. I'm running quite a few strategies down here. I'm trying to running 3 sets of software down here. So got the iBot, the AI Auto Trader, and the MI Auto Trader. So that's my portfolio of strategies here this morning. And got the strategies in a bind here, but I'll get them going again here. Kind of give you a heads up of how you do them all at one time in case you just joining us. So you just click anywhere on the control center in the strategies tab. If you hit the control key and the A key, so on your keyboard, hold down the control key and the A key, and it'll select every single strategy you have, even if it's 100. And you can then right mouse click and hit enable, and that takes care of all 100 of them at one time. And it takes a minute. It's doing quite a few things. Thanks, Judy. Appreciate that. Had the lag time here choked me out there. Got my the client PCs having a nice day so far. ES Star Drone's up 280 with its in a trade also. It's up 550 in that trade. We had a tough day on Monday, but hopefully yesterday and maybe today can help us come back some. Looks like a good start so far today. Had a heck of a run up yesterday. Had a nice run up yesterday. Eleanor, good morning. All right. Woo, come on. Let's get this money machine up and rolling. Let's go. I've got this trade copier down here. Go through kind of what's on the screen. So we've like to check out the NQ and the ES, and looking at the ES one-day pass right over here in this this account over here. This one went off for a full winner for me on this. Actually, both of my machines here. We hit the NQ 30 range one-day pass on my other machine also. So we hit 2 of the ODPs so far this morning, it looks like.
Order submitted.
Got a nice sniper drone trade, apparently. ES Star drone. So we're going to get this thing live and ready to kick here. And she's in again. Oh, yes. So she didn't know she's already got a full winner. We're going to go ahead and take her out of that trade. She already caught a full winner earlier. We don't want to change her too much.
Order filled.
They stopped trading, so on that one, for example, the one-day pass, we have it set at $3,000 a day. So it would have stopped trading, but when you reset these over here, I had to disable and re-enable all of them. Got something going on here, you know, this is the R&D machine, so I've got a snafu here of some sort. We're gonna jump on this one though. This one's super hot. This is the NQ16U. This thing can go off like a bottle rocket. Seen it make $8 grand one session. It can lose too though. Alright, so we'll go to the accounts tab, see what's shaking. Oh boy, look at that.
Order submitted.
Changed a lot since last time I looked. So yeah, we got the NQ16U coming up the leaderboard. There's the ES one-day pass. So these ones are from the iBot. These are from the MIs. This is from the AI.
Order submitted.
So we're going to put a few of these to work. I had a couple of good runs yesterday.
Order filled.
So what I'm doing is I'm kind of just giving a quick look-see of the lay of the land, checking out my my lag times on my charts. Like I said, I kind of like to keep an NQ and an ES open, give me a little bit of visibility into those two instruments, and then I like to look up here for the lag timer, just to make sure that we're in good shape. Okay, so we'll take a look at the ES Star drone here on the left, or the right.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
See what it's going to do for us today. OES Star drone. Come on, baby. Shake that money maker.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
this thing rolling. Anybody ever have to use your phone to see something? I have to do that now almost on a regular basis, especially when these darn things are so small. I'm looking at my mouse. The darn battery went. Ah. Alright, here we go.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, let me take a quick break back here. Go grab another battery.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright, let's go get some trading here. Got one under our belt. We just got a NQ Steven drone. I got old Steven dialed up here on old 2075. Apparently just took a nice little trade. Caught a little nug. Just break even there. So we'll load up a couple of them here. Give you kind of... Okay, so Steven just jumped in again. Let's go take a look at Steven. That's one of my favorites. That's the AI Auto Trader, old Steven drone here. We're locked in on old Steven. Old Steven over here. We'll go bring him up over here, kind of catch you, give you a little bit of lay of the land, how you run a couple of different charts and how this kind of works, all this puzzle together. So over on the left is the sim account, old Steven drone. Old Steven jumped in at 21,580.75. Over here on my Apex account, we jumped in at my prop account. It's 580.75. So we got them in both, same exact entry. A lot of times we'll see a couple of ticks difference.
Order submitted.
So 2075 is right down here, and we're in the trade. You can see no number there in the P&L. That means it's actively trading. And the way you check your balance is this little number right here. So this will change as price changes.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Taking a hit here, down 300. Coming down hard too. It's gonna hit the floor here. It's coming down hard and fast. Gonna roll over on us on the NQ here. Coming back to 550.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Little bit of resistance there at the 555 level. Trying to hold on here. A lot of push though to the south. Boom! Ouch! Gonna clean it up here. Gonna take some orders off the table. Ouch!
Order filled.
Felt that one coming. They come down hard. Woo!
Order filled.
Okay, we caught the NQ. 1 day pass too. NQ 30 range ODP went off.
Order canceled.
I think I'll dial that one up here in a minute too.
Order submitted.
Oh, it just caught this one right here. It caught that short trade going down.
Canceled.
Boom!
Filled.
Caught a short trade on signal A. That was this 1 day pass on this machine. It already made one up there on the other one. ES Star drone's in up on my other machine. Here we go, it's here too. Let's get a look at her. Okay, ES Star took 175 off the table, it looks like.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I ran this one yesterday on these four. I'll set those back up. So kind of the way that works is over here looking at my leaderboard, kind of looking at which ones are rising to the top. And then I'm taking them over on my trade copier, putting them in as my leader account,
Order submitted.
and then picking a few of my my prop accounts to trade them to. And so it'll take that trade from that sim account and then populate it over into those
Order
prop
submitted.
accounts. Just know it's just like any other trade, even if you have two machines or even two strategies exactly the same on the same machine, you can still get filled at different prices. They're ticks on a contract, and there's only a certain amount available. The market maker's always trying to find buyers and sellers to match, and that's the way it works. In fact, right here
Order filled.
we had 10 contracts. We were trying to buy all at one time. We were only able to get 8 of them at one price, and then 2 of them at another price. So even when you're buying multiple contracts, you don't get filled at the same price. You only get what's available. Okay, we got old Steven drawn in again.
Order submitted.
Oh, Steven.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Steven setting up for a short trade here.
Order filled.
Over on the left, we've got the sim account. Over on the right, we've got the prop account. I was running this one on 2080 and 2081 yesterday, so I'm going to set them back up. This one did the best yesterday, so I'm going to add some more to it.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay, old Steven's dropping in soft. Got a $100 trade now. Looking for a $400 trade, maybe $1,000. Come on. Let's go, baby.
Order submitted. Order filled.
And we got an active stop on this strategy, so she flies down at 250. 250, she flies down to 50. And we're sitting at a $300 trade now. Looking for 1,000. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, got a little nug back. Took a $100 bill.
Order filled.
So we're doing a little prop trading this morning. We've got Ninja Trader 8 flying in overdrive. Got a couple of ODPs that went off this morning. Got a couple of $3,000 bill whoppers.
Order filled.
And we've got some other software here that we're running today. Got 3 different versions of right line trading automated software on display. So we've got the market internals, and we've got the iBot, and we got the AI Auto Trader, all on one strategy platform here. You can even run the Revo on 4 auto trading systems.
Order filled.
Okay, we just took a long trade here on the IBOT. This one was the big winner yesterday. Okay, we're in on the 16U. All right, we got the big money on working here now. Got the big money working. Oh, 16U, come on. $1,200 risk here on this trade. Can be a whopper and take you out at the knees. Whoo, what just happened? What just happened? Holy moly, did y'all see that? Thing's going off like a rocket ship. Come on, baby, let's go. Woo! Here we go. Uh-oh. Let's go watch one of these hot dogs. 2070. There we go. All right, so we're in here. Got this SIM account, got the Apex accounts over here. We're running hot. Got a $932 trade on that other one that went off. Okay, so we're making some moves now. Auto Trader's making some moves. Things are getting hot in here. Okay, we got a lot of action going on. $300 trade now. Did you guys see how that thing popped up? Holy moly. Woo! All right. Let's go trading. All right, we're up $3,900. That thing popped like it was hot. She come out hot. Dang. All right, OES Star pushing up the leaderboard. That's been the darling for us. I don't really have the patience to trade it. I do on my live account. That's about it. I don't really trade it on a prop account, but if you do, it's the one to trade. ES Star drone. Oh, it's upside down here on mine a little bit.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Oh, Steven drone's in a trade still on the 2075.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
Oh, Steven drone's in trouble.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Wow, is that all hot air there?
Order filled.
I guess it was. Whew.
Order filled. Order filled.
And that didn't amount to much, did it?
Order filled.
Okay,
Order
caught the
submitted.
short trade. Didn't see that coming, but man, it gave everything back and then some.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gave it all back and then some.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
And we're going short. We're going short heavy duty here. We've got the accounts burning it up here. 2070. Whew.
Order filled.
Look at them all go. Got 4 of them on this one.
Order submitted.
Coming down. $420 trade now. All right, come on. Got the rollover trade going on. Shit, I just do. Damn it. This old rollover trade here, sitting at a $500 trade now, looking for 1,000, coming down.
Order filled.
Oh, lag timer got me. Got a $500 trade coming into 4. Coming back on us, hoping to catch the exit at line change coming up. It's a big trade. Got 4 counts on it. It's the old rollover trade after the big burst of energy.
Order canceled.
Gave it all back and then some.
Order canceled.
Try lighten the load here a little bit. Okay, so we popped out with a $1,300 trade on that one. Across 4 accounts, and not too bad. Here we go. We gotta watch out, make sure we don't go over the victory here too far. Make sure we shut them down in time. I've done that before. Come on, get these.
Order submitted.
That was a huge shot in the arm of orders there. Holy moly. She took off like a rocket and then dropped like it was hot. Well, we're up $6,000 so far this morning. Ah, news action. Robert, I'm oblivious. Let me get my head straight. Thank you. Let's pop in and see what's happening. Okay, so here we go. What's my watch list? See what this Miller Time watch list right here. What do we got? Come on, what's this thing? Okay, so we got the E Mini. This is the this one we're trading here. We're live on this one. We're in here trying to snatch a few dollar bills out of the market. Closed yesterday at 21,670. We're rolling about 21,550. 21.5. We're gobbling it up. Okay, NVIDIA back on the move. Back on the move. That usually gives us some indication which way we're heading here in the E-mini. Here's the other big dog. This is the ES Star drone. ES Star bot in there trying to harvest some dollar bills. All right, so things trying to find a home here around 5:30. Lag timer starting to come back into range here. Market's settling in. Big slug orders, huh? How about that? Took a chunk and handed them back. Said, no thank you. No thank you. And we caught a little nug on that little move. We'll take a quick break. I'll be right back.
Order submitted.
All right, here we go. Come on. Oh yeah, I see that. Yeah, drop them in the chat. Keep them rolling. All right, we got $6,000 bill so far this morning. We've got old 16U here, took us for a ride. And then the old buy-bot jumped in, got old Steven drone down here making a little bit of action.
Order filled.
Go take a look at the big board, see what's been hot and what's not. Old big board's got the two ODPs that went off. Caught some nuggets here with this 16U.
Order filled.
Caught some nuggets with this iBot. OES star, here we go, baby. To the stars. Let's go. Other machine has the ES star.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we jumped in here. I know 16U going short.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled.
A big run up right there. This one don't look good for us here. This is a little shot in the arm if we get this one. Take this one in the chin, I think.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, that humbled me a little bit. Brought me back down to an $1,800 day. She was flying down nicely. The market said, we'll go ahead and buy that one.
Order canceled. submitted. Order submitted.
Nice moves. Good day to trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
What's your guys' high on your machine so far this morning? Any strategies doing good? Did you catch those two ODPs? I should have been trading them. My other machine's got the Haymaker and the Sniper bot. Or no, Haymaker drone, Sniper bot, Velocity drone. PA account coming up, the leaderboard. Take a look here.
Order filled.
So ES stars coming up.
Order submitted.
It's in a long trade.
Order submitted.
16U dropped in short again. It's feeling that short move from earlier.
Order.
This one's going on our side though. We got a $300 trade trying to tip the toe there. Got to catch up with that that first target. It's a little tough to get. It's down there at I think it's 35 ticks. We're running a 2-contract trade strategy on the NQ. Trying to tip off one of them right there at the $350 mark.
Order filled.
All right, we caught the one, so that gets us in good shape. You like to see that. That takes you into the winner's circle on the trade. And we're in on the other ones too. Oh, caught a shorty.
Order submitted.
Okay, let's get the ES Star drone working.
Order canceled.
All right, so that got us a nice nugget back. We're $3,600 for the day now.
Filled.
Trying to get these to 53,000.
Order filled.
Over here in the trade copier, I'm using old Steven drone. Using one of the iBot. Using one of the MI. And another ES, the Star drone. Those are the ones we're trading here.
Order filled.
Market's settling down.
Order filled.
Not taking any trades through this little bit of a lull here. Bot's kind of waiting for the next move, getting the setup just right for it. It's got quite a few filters in on this one, so it has to have a few different things aligned before it takes the trade here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
I'll take this star drone out of the trade so I can catch in with the next one.
Order filled.
So these will jump in on the next star drone trade here. Okay, so we popped in going short.
Order filled.
4 accounts going short here. Trying to push through a lot of support lines. A lot of support here. A ton of support. Woo! A lot of rejections from this level before. Gutsy trade.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Gutsy trade. A lot of support down here. Down $300 bill. Uh-oh. She's popping. She's a popping here. Down 8. Ah! Come on. Easy. Ooh, boy, she's coming up big time. Ouch.
Order canceled.
Whew. Okay, new rule of mine. 10:30. I'm done trading. Not gonna give it back later.
Order submitted.
Come on.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Okay, we got the ES star pushing up. Pushing up big time. And we caught it with a whole bunch of Apex accounts here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, let's take a look at where we got filled on this one. We got filled at 44.25 on the SIM account. And on the prop account, we got filled at 44.25, so same place. I've got a prop account over on the left, and I've got the SIM account over on the right. And right here, you can even see, actually, we can even look here where they all got filled. That's cool. I didn't know about this.
Order submitted.
Okay, cool. I didn't know it showed it there, but it does. It shows the average price. Looks like we all got filled at 44.25. Let's go to the moon.
Order submitted. Order failed.
All right, here we go. Going up. Got them all running up the scoreboard here.
Order
These are all running the ES Star drone.
Order failed. Order failed. Order failed.
Okay, we're in a bunch of trades right now. A bunch of trades are going on out here. It's got all these in right here. So a lot of these are running this ES Star right here. We're up $200 on this trade, so crossed about 7 or 8 accounts. $280.
Order failed. Order submitted.
Okay, 016U's got us in another trade going long this time.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order failed.
Boy, that was a hard no down there at 500. 21,500. That was a hard no. Shit.
Order submitted.
That thing said hard no. We're not going down farther than that. We're going to go the other way.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order failed. Order failed. Order failed. Order submitted.
All right, here we go. A little push up here, going north. Trying to run through the 550 range.
Order submitted.
Pushing through the 570s. We just popped up our stop.
Order submitted.
Okay, that's a different one.
Order failed.
2080. Okay, so that's 2080 right there. I need to add more juice to that one. That's the hottest one. No such thing.
Order submitted.
Okay, jumped in again
Order
here.
submitted.
16 U's about to click off. All right, awesome.
Order submitted.
So where are they at? 16 U's. 16 U's are 2070.
Order filled.
Damn.
Order filled.
All right, so we got a lot of trading going on right here. This is the big dog. We got the ES Star. Let's go, Star. Moving up the leaderboard here quickly. Got a $200 trade. 5 or 6 accounts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hope we can hold on the NQ now. That'll help the ES if we can continue to drive ourselves north here. If she does a U-turn, we in trouble. Come on.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Market's rolling over a little bit on us here. It's coming back into the 21,550 range on the NQ. Slid right through the 850 range.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Orders.
Uh-oh, we got caught in overdrive right there. She popped out there. Caught me on the chin. Ooh. Need ES Star to save the day here. She's pumping up again, going north.
Order filled. Order submitted.
ES Star jumped in at 6044.25. We're looking at a prop account on the left, and you're looking at a sim account on the right. Both of them look like they popped in about the same, exact same price.
Order submitted.
Market kind of doing a U-turn on us here a little bit. So we'll kind of dial it in since this morning, since 8:30 here, right there. So since 8:30, come on, right there. A little bit of a wobble, kind of back and forth here, trying to find a home.
Order submitted.
No clear direction yet.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, pushing up nicely. Got a $300 trade on the ES Star. Crossed 5 accounts here, or 6.
Order filled.
5
Order
accounts.
submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hey Jorge, yeah, the AI uses something very similar. We don't use specifically ChatGPT, but we use something very similar.
Order submitted.
It's an AI agent that's doing some handing of data and then mathematics there behind the scenes, trying to predict the next move for the bots. Yeah.
Order submitted. Order filled.
We've got our new website that has a chat bot. We added a chat bot that uses ChatGPT out on our new website. So that's pretty cool. That project's coming along nicely. Hoping to have it live in about probably 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Order submitted.
The website will be live soon, hopefully by the end of the week. And we got a $300 trade on the ES Star. Going north. Here's the new website coming. Get this off of here. Phew. All right, so go down, check it out. Here's some plans. We're going to do the eval sim funded. Again, we don't have the prices in here exactly right, but it's kind of the concept. We're going to have, I'm just going to offer one style. So I'm thinking either 50K or 100K. If you guys can, put it in the chat for me which ones you'd prefer, 50K accounts or 100K accounts. The big difference would be how much you need to get in accounts per day to make it past the challenge. But this is the idea. Have a couple of sim funded, and then evaluations. So you do evaluation, you can either pick static, end of day, trailing, or dynamic. Those are the 4 different drawdowns that there are. We try to kind of explain a little bit of how the account balance changes as you progress through that account. And that gives you some indication of why it would be either cheaper or more expensive, because it's either easier or harder. And we're showing a couple of testimonials here. So Marcia probably will show up here eventually. So Marcia, thank you for joining us. Everybody who joins us, we appreciate you guys joining Right Line Trading and helping us along this journey. But we're going to have a 3-step process to go to the live funded, and that's where I really want to get everybody. I want everybody to trade my live accounts, or we'll trade some prop accounts together, whatever it might be, but we're going to make money and have fun together. Quick 3-step process to get paid. Kind of talk about the difference between the 2 challenges. Another area for different education. So over here we'll be able to, if people click on them, they'll go to Right Line Trading website. Got some FAQs, and then something that I'm really proud of is that the business is over 1,000 videos, training videos, so forth and so on out on YouTube. So that's the action. Start our journey today. So that's what it looks like. Start to crack the seal on it. All right, so we got the ES Star here going north. She's a slow road, but she's the road. ES Star. Bot, come on. Most consistent one we have. Not as flashy. She ain't flashy. Not a Lamborghini by any stretch. She's an old caddy. Old caddy is what I look at her. She's a little lay down low caddy here.
Order submitted.
She's one of those lay back in the backseat Cadillacs. It's you don't get too excited about this one. It's a slow road.
Order filled.
And it's a $500 trade across 5 accounts. That'll make you a happy camper in the Cadillac. Man, we used to go on some trips when I was a kid. We used to go on them mobile home trips all the time. Get in the camper. Come on. Oh, ES Star. Gonna be the hero today, it looks like. We got a good trade here in the NQ as well.
Order submitted.
Oh, iBot running up north. Got a $200 trade looking at 3. Come on, can we get 3 out there? Trying to push up through 21,600 on the NQ. A little bit of a yo-yo on 600. We got a lofty target, but you know what? We've got this thing sealed in. Stop popped up already, so we can we take a couple of ticks off the table, but we'd like to stay in the trade if we could. And we'll go out. Almost slipped away with that one.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, ES Stars when you sit on your hands. Oh yeah, Jorge, everything's, we'll get you good discounts, of course, yes. We're gonna kick the tires on it first, make sure she all rolls smooth, and then we'll definitely, share what kind of promotions, all those kind of things. But we actually don't even have the dashboard in our hands yet. I've got the company that I'm partnered with. They're still working out the, it's called integration. We need to do conformance testing. Conformance is like it conforms to their standards. So our software is integrating with their software, Rhythmic, to make sure that we conform, that all of our information matches. So we're doing that, and I'm hoping, hoping to have the dashboard early next week, if not the end of the week. So that's the idea of the project, where it's at. We've got ideas, but until I see that dashboard, mess around with it, I don't know what I'm doing yet. I'm on the optimism side, but that still doesn't mean I know what I'm doing yet. So as soon as I get it figured out, I definitely will share every bit I can. I'm getting the website rolling now. Got basically that kind of framework built out, and hoping to have the dashboard soon. And we're going to be using Rhythmic, so we'll be using this, I assume, exact same dashboard here. This green one. This is Rhythmic Trader Pro. Partnering with this company, Rhythmic Trader. And we're in the ecosystem of NinjaTrader. So we've got them both on our sides here, partnered with, and we're working to put the puzzle pieces together. All right, so we got a $400 trade now. So the ES is just plugging along.
Order filled. Order filled.
Load a couple more up here. Let's get that wagon loaded up. Market's starting to settle down, kind of finding a home. Holding the 21,600 range right now. See if she rolls over one more time. Got the head and shoulders being formed right now. Beautiful short trade coming up. She breaks that pivot here. Could be gone, or could be a goner. We need her to hold tight though for our ES Star drone trade. We want to keep going up. Yeah, Star Drone still up a little bit, but starting to give back some.
Order canceled.
If the NQ rolls over, it's in trouble here.
Order
Yeah, the NQ just rolled over on us. It's the old classic head and shoulders move here. NQ's holding tight. Not rolling over quite yet. Critical level here. She's gonna fly to 550 soon, I'm thinking, on the NQ.
Order canceled.
She's ready to roll over here. Yeah, Judy, iBot is different. Yep, so we have 4 different pieces of automated trading systems. So we've got the Revo Auto Trader, the AI Auto Trader, the MI Auto Trader, which is market internals, and then we've got the iBot, which is the index bot, and that's brand new. So we're still working on, you know, sorting it out. That's why I'm trading her here live, trading her on this machine with all these Apex accounts, making sure that everything's functioning properly here. Alright, ES star still holding tight. NQ didn't roll over yet. It's holding tight at 580 up here. It sure looks like it wants to roll over, though, I'm telling you. Things are looking pretty weak. That 50's starting to get flimsy.
Order submitted.
Alright, there's a shot in the arm. Needed that little shot in the arm. Alright, come on. ES star just doing its thing. Sitting in the ring here, trying to make some money. Got a $300 trade. Across 5 accounts.
Order filled.
Alright, NQ held on. That's what we needed. Woohoo! Hey David, I'm Mark Miller. I bought the company from Mark Sachs. He retired, and Rory's still with us. Rory's on the line if you wanted to drop in and say hello. He's at our old phone number. David, what software? Did you get a room? One of the trading rooms, or do any of the option services? Speaking of option services, we got David Wise coming up right next at 11. Got some hot options trades coming up. Then multiply that equity stream. Get you a 2-week trial, kick the tires on it, send them in text messages to you for 2 weeks. That's a bargain. Never get that kind of deal. I've always learned that word reciprocal. Until you give somebody something, they won't give you, you know, if someone says, hey, Mark, here. I was like, oh, here, thank you. I appreciate that, here. So it's part of life. We want to give it to you. Want you to make some money with it, have some fun. That's the goal. Let's make money and have some fun. Slowing down here. NQ's holding up. That's good news. That's good news.
submitted.
Okay, and we're gonna go north. That's what I'm talking
Order
about.
submitted.
I think I have some selected that zonked out on me.
Order filled.
All right, nice $400 trade on the ES Star. It's a fully automated system, but it is also semi-automated if you wanted to take your stop and just move it around. You can do that. It's fully flexible. And we're up a $400 bill here. This is the old Cadillac. Not the Lamborghini like the NQ. This is the old Caddy. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. $300 ride here. NQ starting to drift back a little bit. Pushed up into the 600s though. Got rejected. Same place as before, 605.